What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I have a really cool mod for the Miata today that I highly recommend any of you guys do if you're in the market for them. But I got some new LED headlights for the Miata. Now these are for a Jeep, but as most people probably know, the Jeep headlights actually work. They have the same connector as the Miata does. So I decided to go with these right here. I got them off Amazon for like $85. I ordered them like a week and a half ago, so I don't remember exactly. I'll put the link down in the description for it, but here they are. They look super nice. They are an LED. They're like 6000K bulb intensity, so it's going to be a nice pure white, but here are the bulbs. The connector is going to go right into the car, so they should be really nice. Also, I know a lot of people like to go with like the halo LED headlights. I decided against that. I wanted to do something a little bit different, so I did not get a halo light. I just got a simple LED with the high beam, the regular low beam, and the turn signals. So it still should look really nice. There's going to be, like I said, there's no halo. A lot of people like to do that, but I think these are going to look super nice, and it's going to be a really nice upgrade from the stock lights in these cars, because the stock lights are terrible in these cars. But anyways, guys, I'm going to show you the install. It's a super simple process. I'll go step by step on what you need to do and how to install these, and then I will do a little comparison clip from the stock headlights as opposed to the new ones. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. So as you can see, these are the stock headlights. It's really hard to tell, but they're like a very yellow and they're very hazy right now, so they look kind of like crap. But, and I don't know if you can see it against the fence, but they don't have a lot of output. It is a little bright outside, so I might have to do this in the nighttime. Alright, so this process is going to be identical for both sides. So on each side of the headlight, there's going to be 4 screws. There's going to be 2 screws on the left side, and there's going to be 2 screws on the right side. So we're going to remove those. That's going to pop this piece out, and it's going to give us access to remove the actual headlight. So and it's just a Phillips head, so very simple. 1, 2, 3, and now that you have all 4 screws off, this should just pop right out like so. Yep, there you go. So the piece is off. That's going to give us access to the actual headlight to be able to remove the screws on the headlight to pull this out. So on the headlight itself, you're going to have like a retaining clip that's going to be containing multiple screws. I believe there's 5 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So start by loosening these up. You shouldn't even have to pull the screws out, because you should be able to slide the retaining clip right off the headlight and then slide it back into place. So and then 1 more below. Should give you access, yep, to slide the clip, and then as you can see, the retaining clip is off. We didn't even have to remove any of the screws here, just the 3 screws, slide the retaining clip, and then you have the headlight like so, and then you could just pull it. Just be careful with the connector. It pulls right off, and now we have the headlight out. It is that easy. Alright guys, so here's the headlight that was in the car before. As you can see, it's just a standard like built-in bulb, so it's all one piece. And as you can see from the new LED, they both have the exact same connector. So this is just going to plug right into the stock connector harness, and then it should be that easy. Once we connect this back in, we'll put the retaining clip back on, screw everything up, and this should work like normal, no issues at all. And this is going to be trash because these are terrible at nighttime, and anybody that has these, I definitely suggest going to an LED or some kind of upgrade, because these do not work well. So let's throw the new one in and see how it looks. So now we got the new headlight, so we're just going to connect the new headlight into the factory harness like so. Connects right in, no issues. So we're just going to tuck this back now. This is going to sit like so. Get the retaining clip. Again, remove. Now these look really, really nice. Really nice. The retaining clip, as you can see, fits right on. So now we're just going to get this into place. So it might take a little like wiggling to get, there we go, this into place. Alright guys, so we got the first side in. You might have to wiggle this around, you might have to pull some screws in and out just to get the fitment correct, but first side is in with the retaining clip on, so now we can go ahead and throw the cover back on. So, and then reverse process, 4 screws, 2 on each side. Alright guys, and just like that, side number 1 is officially done. And there we go. Alright guys, so here's the old headlight, and then here's the new one all nice in place. This looks fantastic. Let me turn it on. Let me turn on the lights so that you guys can see the difference. So, yep, it turns on like normal. So we're going to be going from this old ugly halogen yellow bulb, I don't know if the camera picks that up well, to this gorgeous white LED. I don't know if you could tell, but I don't think you can see that on the fence, but this is super nice. In the nighttime, it's going to look amazing. So I'm going to do the passenger side now. I'm probably just going to fast forward through me taking everything off since I showed you what to do on the driver's side. So probably just going to speed that process up. Alright guys, so both headlights are in. They really complement the smoked accents a lot, which is what I really like, and it makes the car look a lot more modern. So as you can see, they're both in, they're both tightened down. The process is super easy. The install is super simple. Like I said, look, I mean, as you can see, they look really, really nice. So I'm really going to enjoy them. I will make a little like video at nighttime of what they look like, but if you want, I can even... I don't know how well the camera picks that up, but as you can see, they're super bright. They're very white as well. So it's a 6000K LED bulb. So that's what you get. They look super, super nice. So yeah, guys, I'm going to leave the link of these headlights in the description. And if you want to cop yourself a pair, go ahead. Like I said, these don't have any halo rings. I know a lot of people find the halo rings to be very popular, very... I guess they're very sought after. People really like to do that upgrade, but I decided against it. I wanted something a little more simple, and this is what I went with, so hopefully you guys like it. Alright guys, so quick, it's starting to get dark, and now that it is dark, I'm able to show you what the lights actually look like at nighttime. So, turn everything on, and bam. So as you can see, these lights are ridiculously bright, and it's not even fully dark out. There's still a little bit of sunlight left, but that's what I'm going to be dealing with. So guys, so these lights are definitely worth it, but they look amazing and they're super bright, as you can tell. So yeah, definitely recommend it. Alright guys, so that's going to conclude the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. These headlights look really nice. It's a lot more modern. They're very sleek. The LEDs draw a lot less power than these old halogen crappy headlights that the car comes with. So it is a huge upgrade. It's an upgrade that I recommend to anybody. One of the best upgrades you could do for these cars. I absolutely love the way the lights look. I'm going to leave a link for them where I bought them in the description. So if you guys want to check them out, or even not, you know, you could go on eBay, Amazon, and they have so many different options for Miatas. And once again, these are Jeep headlights. The Jeep headlights work. So just make sure to look at the back of the connector. Like I said, it's going to be like a 3-prong connector. Make sure it has the same connector that goes into the Mazda, and you'll be fine. There are so many different options you could go with. There are really cheap options, which, you know, might be hit or miss. This isn't really that expensive. Like I said, these were like $85 if I'm not mistaken. So it's not the cheapest, but it's not the most expensive that you could find online. But anyways guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. It's a super simple install. This shouldn't take you any more than 10 minutes to do. And again, it's worth every penny, especially if you're going to be driving your Miata at nighttime a lot. Obviously, you know, the halogen lights that the cars come with, they're not good. You can barely see, and I know with these, I'm going to be able to see really well. Like I said, I'm going to insert a clip of what they look like at nighttime so that you guys can see as a reference. But I know they're going to be great. They are 6000K bulb, so again, they're super bright. They're very white. I mean, you could easily see them in the daytime as well. So I'm super excited about them. They look great. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day.